Preventing and Reverting Alzheimer's, a Science-Backed Approach. Understanding the true causes of Alzheimer's. For decades, the prevailing theory of Alzheimer's disease has revolved around amyloid plaques, protein clusters thought to disrupt brain function. However, newer research suggests that the disease is more complex, involving chronic inflammation, immune system dysfunction, insulin resistance, and excitotoxicity, rather than simply the accumulation of amyloid. This emerging understanding has led to effective science-backed measures that can prevent, slow, and even reverse cognitive decline. The link between Alzheimer's and type 3 diabetes. Alzheimer's is increasingly being recognized as type 3 diabetes due to its connection to insulin resistance in the brain. Studies show that people with type 2 diabetes have a significantly higher risk of developing Alzheimer's. Key findings on Alzheimer's and insulin resistance. Insulin plays a crucial role in brain health. It helps regulate inflammation, neurotransmitter function, and neuron survival. Brain cells can develop insulin resistance just like other organs, leading to decreased glucose metabolism, energy loss, and neuron death. High sugar intake, especially fructose and refined carbohydrates, worsens brain insulin resistance and fuels the progression of Alzheimer's. Solution: lowering sugar intake, improving insulin sensitivity, and supporting brain energy metabolism can slow or prevent cognitive decline. Chronic inflammation, a key driver of cognitive decline. Inflammation is the body's response to injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it starts to damage brain cells and accelerate neurodegeneration. What causes chronic brain inflammation? Toxic exposure, pesticides, heavy metals, aluminum, mercury, and air pollution. Chronic infections, viruses like herpes simplex, HSV1, and gut bacteria imbalances. Poor diet, excessive omega-6 fats, sugar, and processed foods fuel brain inflammation. Gut-brain dysfunction. Leaky gut and microbiome imbalances contribute to neuroinflammation. How to reduce brain inflammation. Consume anti-inflammatory foods, turmeric, ginger, wild-caught fish, berries, and leafy greens. Reduce exposure to heavy metals. Filter water, avoid aluminum cookware, and choose organic foods. Heal the gut. Use probiotics, bone broth, and fiber-rich foods to support microbiome balance. The role of excitotoxicity in brain degeneration. Excitotoxicity occurs when overactive brain cells release too much glutamate, a neurotransmitter that, in excess, becomes toxic. How excitotoxicity harms the brain. Overexcites neurons, leading to cell death. Increases oxidative stress, making neurons more vulnerable. Promotes inflammation, worsening neurodegeneration. Common excitotoxins found in foods. MSG, monosodium glutamate, found in processed foods, fast food, and snack chips. Aspartame and artificial sweeteners, found in diet sodas, sugar-free products, and gum. Hydrolyzed vegetable protein and yeast extract, common in packaged soups, dressings, and frozen meals. How to protect against excitotoxicity. Increase magnesium intake, found in pumpkin seeds, spinach, and almonds. Consume anti-excitotoxic nutrients. Curcumin, resveratrol, and quercetin protect against neuronal damage. Eliminate excitotoxin-laden foods. Avoid processed, packaged, and artificially flavored products. Nutritional strategies to support brain function. The brain is highly dependent on nutrients to function optimally. Certain key vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can protect against Alzheimer's and improve memory, focus, and cognition. Top brain protective nutrients. Curcumin, turmeric, reduces amyloid plaques and inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, essential for neuron protection and reducing brain inflammation. Magnesium L-threonate enhances memory and learning ability. Vitamin D3 supports cognitive function and reduces brain inflammation. B vitamins, B12, folate, B6, crucial for neurotransmitter function and methylation. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, and PQQ boosts mitochondrial energy production, reducing brain fatigue. Sulforaphane, broccoli sprouts, a powerful detoxifier that protects neurons. Tip: incorporate these nutrients through whole foods and high-quality supplements. The gut-brain connection, healing cognitive decline from within. Research confirms that gut health directly impacts brain function. A disrupted microbiome can trigger neuroinflammation, anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. How the gut affects brain health: leaky gut increases brain inflammation. Damaged gut lining allows toxins to enter the bloodstream. Dysbiosis, bad gut bacteria, produces toxins that damage the brain. Healthy gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and cognition. Best foods for gut and brain health. Fermented foods, yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi. Support beneficial gut bacteria. Bone broth and collagen heal the gut lining and reduce inflammation. Prebiotic fibers, onions, garlic, leeks, bananas feed healthy gut bacteria. Final thoughts and key takeaways. Alzheimer's is not simply an inevitable part of aging, it is largely preventable with the right lifestyle and dietary changes. Reduce sugar intake and improve insulin sensitivity. Minimize inflammation through an anti-inflammatory diet. Avoid excitotoxins that overstimulate and damage neurons. Support the gut-brain axis for optimal mental clarity. Incorporate brain protective nutrients to maintain cognitive function. By taking proactive, science-backed measures, we can fortify our brains, enhance memory, and prevent neurodegeneration. Disclaimer: this article and podcast are for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making decisions about your health, treatments, or dietary changes. The information shared is based on available research and discussions within the medical and scientific community